Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Yeah, me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another episode. Uh, how you guys been? I have this 2009 Lincoln MKZ. You know what I'm saying? You see the vibes. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change, and if I have the chance, I show you how to do how to reset the oil life in this beauty. You know what I'm saying? So before I jump into the action, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it again. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Please do that for the channel. You know what I'm saying? Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know it. You know what I'm saying? And for free. God damn it. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this car. Is it reliable? You like it? You don't? But you stuck with it? I'm saying anything you have in mind. Put it in the comment box. Oh, the other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. You know what I'm saying? But if you broke, if you don't have money, then watch the whole ad. That's how you support the channel. Watch the whole ad. It's like regular TV. You know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials. You know what I'm saying? But it's in your cell phone, tablet, computer, laptop, whatever you're using right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. Watch the whole 9. It lasts between 5 to 10 seconds. Sometimes they come in 2. That's it. That's how you support the channel. You know what I'm saying? I do you and you do me. Alright, let's do this oil change. Stop talking smack over here, Axtuo. Let's get it. How to do the oil change. I'm gonna come through over here. You see this? Just pull it like that. That's how you open the hood. Now you come to the front, you're gonna see the latch over here. You know what I'm saying? Just push it to the side. Hold the hood, push it up. Here's the kickstand. You know what I'm saying? That's where it goes. Yeah, I mean for those that I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do the whole 9. Then here is the engine oil cap. It tells you what type of oil it takes. You know what I'm saying? But it doesn't tell you how much. But I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna tell you that. You know what I'm saying? This thing is stuck or something. Okay. Now here, oil dipstick. You know what I'm saying? Battery, brake fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, windshield fluid. Okay, you see the pipes, pulse. Use some light. Ooh, look man clean here. This is the oil drain plug. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a 15mm. Now if you come over here, then here's the oil filter. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look like a maybe's work on it before. I see the label. Like I said, 15mm. You know what I'm saying? That's what you're gonna use to lose this oil drain plug. Now, child duct is going now. Oh yeah. It goes. What you think? Is it clean? Is it dirty? Put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Hi. This is a tool we're gonna use to remove the oil filter. You know what I'm saying? You can use this, depending on the angle though. You can use this, or you can use this guy. It's kind of like a plier though. So if you have a space, you can use it though. You kind of don't have a space here, so use the other one. Now you're gonna use this one then. Like that. You know what I'm saying? But just wait though. Just lose it for now and wait until this thing is done draining. Unless you have a big plate that hold both. You know what I'm saying? Both so once you drain most of this oil, just Put the oil drain plug back, tie it with the 15, you know what I'm saying? Tie it and snag it, 15 millimeter socket, you know what I'm saying? Clean after yourself. You lose this guy before, right? So now you can do it just by hand. Be careful though. Lose it a little bit and then it's gonna start draining like that. Be careful if it's hot though, alright? So it was draining, right? Now we're gonna remove it slowly though. Be careful. You don't wanna get a shower of oil. So, yeah, there you go. Shout out to Site. I'm gonna clean that. Clean it just like that. Wipe it down. Okay. Now this is a new oil filter by Part Master. This is a part number 61516. Okay. Now this oil ring, we're gonna lube it. Use WD-40 or the same oil. You just drain like that. Now just put it back. Install it. So it's a little bigger there. Is this one the right one though? That's like not though. Let me double check. Now, if the other one didn't work, this one is gonna work. The part number is 67060. Lube the oil ring. You lube it, now install it. This one has a mouth wider. This one is, it gotta be. If it's not, then shit. There you go. There you go. Good girl, good girl. Alright, yep, there you go. That was the right one. You also can see the part number here. This part number is only for this brand, okay? Don't get it twisted. And when you install this, do it by hand. Don't do it with tools because you're gonna puncture it. You're gonna make a hole in it. And then you're gonna lose oil and then you're gonna have big problems. Now get your funnel ready. This one's gonna take 5W20. 5.5 quarts of regular oil. 5.5. Now we just put the cap back. You know what I'm saying? 4.5 regular oil, 5W20, alright? Just so you know. Now you do just close the hood. Alright, make sure you close that one. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video how to do the oil change in a 2009 Lincoln. You see the vibes. MKZ. Don't forget to support the channel. Alright, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that for the channel, know what I'm saying? Don't do it for me, do it for the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without y'all? And support the channel by hitting the bell button. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Click on the like button, like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. All right. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it, okay? They usually like these commercials, advertisement, whatever you want to call it. They last between 5 to 10 seconds. So yeah, just watch it, don't skip it, and that's how you support the channel. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Baidu. I'm clacking now. Boom.